You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly in English. Those are homophones, meaning they are words that are pronounced exactly the same way. Sales. Note that it is a Z sound at the end, a Z sound, a Z sound, not an S sound. Top word is sales, meaning when you sell things or a property, sales. The bottom word are what you put on a ship, a sailing ship, sails. How to pronounce in English? Sales. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.